This is actually super easy to recreate and you don't have to be an expert, so let me show you how. So I can see that she has white on the brow bone. In order to get that nice pigmentation, you have to start with a white canvas. For that white base, I'm going to take my LA Colors white concealer. I'm going to apply it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take my M402 brow brush from Morphe to start carving the bottom of my brows. Go ahead and blend that in. I'm using my Real Techniques 314 brush, lightly set it with some white eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Moonstone palette from Morphe. Just lightly setting it. You basically already got the white down. Now we're going for the purples using my Beauty by Bay Bright palette with a nice detail brush, something like this, which is the M301 brush. Using a dark purple, this one's Drama Queen. Start to stamp it, kind of like a half circle. Don't worry about blending. Don't worry about being perfect right now. Just stamp it. After stamping it down and getting your shape right, then go in with the lightest pressure, and I mean the lightest pressure. Using that same brush and just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions. I'm going with the shade Modern Wave from the same palette and taking a brush like this. And this is also from Morphe, using the half on, half off method, which means half of the eyeshadow goes like off from where you blend it and half goes like just on top of the shadow. Kind of press it in and blend it at the same time, but you can start by pressing it and then blending it out. I know it looks a little bit crazy right now, but you have to trust the process. Taking my Real Techniques Defining Crease brush and just taking that same shade, lightly blending it in. You can already tell the difference between this and this. You can see this is totally not white. It has some type of light blue in it. And with the same palette, I'm going to take the light blue shade, which is the shade Daydream, going with the same Real Technique brush and just applying it lightly on the brow bone. I'm going with my old Bienvenidos a Miami face palette. I'm going to take this lighter pink purple shade and the same Real Technique brush and just start diffusing the outer edges. To cut the crease, I'm going to take some Q-tips and some micellar water. Go ahead and start cutting that crease. With whatever white concealer is left on this brush, go ahead and dab it onto the crease. Start blending that in. Some white eyeshadow from the Morphe Moonstone palette and packing it onto the crease. I did the smoked out wing off camera because I really had to concentrate on that part. But basically, I used this Buxom Shadow Liner Stick. For the shimmer, I'm going to take the Ciate London palette, which is that shade right there. I don't think the camera is really picking on the shimmer, but basically, I applied it right here and then right here. I finished up the eyes off camera. All I did was add this Velour Volume Lash Clusters and Buxom liner on my waterline. Maybelline Sky High Waterproof Mascara for my lower lashes. And how easy was that? I truly have faith that you can recreate this too. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to follow me for more videos like this. Save this for the future. Share this with your amiga para que las dos aprendan.